Real foods can be made into something delicious and yummy, just as yummy as something that's bought from Starbucks or Wendy's. Check out the video. Here we have instant made coffee. That's about 8 ounces of coffee just made with. And then we have, next I'm using a mixture of coconut cream and coconut milk. And then 3 dates is all I used as the sweetener. So I'm adding the coffee. And next I'm going to add the pitted dates. Remember to remove the pits, it's very important. I give it a blend and let it mix up very well. And now I'm going to add the cubes of milk and cream. And actually to this recipe, I really should have used less coffee, yet I thought the taste was still quite yummy. Okay, so I'm headed upstairs. My daughter has a friend over. She has no idea that I'm coming up there with the Starbucks Frappuccino knockoffs, and we're going to see their reaction.
Yeah, but trade secrets.
So yeah, now I'm about to hand over my little concoction to a friend who actually, she works at Starbucks. Right now, like currently?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I get in trouble legally. They fire me, I'm like, okay.
Let's see, let me back up.
I actually like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good. I'm not a huge fan of the color, but that's like my only issue with it. I actually like it.
Yeah, maybe I use too much coffee.
Should I have shaken this before?
Is it because of coffee color? Is, you know, I mean, I really don't know what a Frappuccino looks like. I've made it before for my other daughter.
Do I know what it tastes like?
Yeah.
Wendy's chocolate frosty?
It does. Yeah.
More like a Wendy's chocolate frosty.
It's like a light chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Okay.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah.
But can you taste the coffee?
Yeah.
Or did I?
Not like barely.
I actually can't.
Oh, well, I've been forced to drink so much coffee at this point that, like, I'm kind of used to it. And, like, I can taste it. It's gotten to the point where, because, like, they
But it's enjoyable.
yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I like it.
You want more?
It's so good. I want more. Yum. Delicious.